Tesla stock is climbing historic peaks based on speculation and reports that RoboTaxi is nearly ready for launch and that autonomous travel will soon be deployed globally. But another major development in Tesla stock is catching everyone's attention, which again positions Tesla beyond a mere stock and into a civilization-changing context. And that major element is, of course, Optimus, the humanoid robot project that Tesla is advancing. This means Tesla is entering one of the most transformative eras in human history, the deployment of fully operational humanoid robots. And we observe here that Joe Tegtmeyer, shout out to Joe, recently shared updates about Cortex 2, a fresh data center at Giga Texas in the Austin Gigafactory, where we now see power infrastructure being established for this Cortex 2 facility devoted to training Optimus intelligence. Because as you understand, building a humanoid robot and enabling it to perceive and act in the world is extremely challenging. Most people focus on the hardware, the robot structure, the actuators, all the elements that form the hands. Highly sophisticated engineering. My view has always been that this hardware portion, the visible components, the parts you can touch, the hands, the legs, how it functions, the actuators that drive it, is what captivates most. That is where attention usually goes. But I argued very early that this is not the true obstacle. I take a contrarian stance here. I suggest everyone exaggerates this difficulty. You have thousands in China collaborating with Tesla. You have the best Tesla engineers attempting to solve the body challenge. The real hurdle and true game changer is the mind. How do you design intelligence that can control a body effectively, from your kitchen to the laundry room, to running errands, to working in factories performing skilled labor, to operating in fields for agriculture, to mining, to going to space to repair Teslas and SpaceX facilities? That is the essential question, and that is precisely the aim of this extensive setup. And this installation is costlier, more intricate, and carries higher stakes than just constructing the body. So I am genuinely excited to observe these advancements. And we see that the target is 200 megawatts, 0.2 gigawatts for this AI hub for Cortex. And Joe mentions that the work entails installing a fire detection and alarm system for the Cortex 2.0 site, specifically designed for 100 to 200 megawatts of electrical capacity. This energy rating indicates a large-scale industrial or computational environment. Such power levels are standard for data centers or supercomputing installations. And Joe did an excellent job. He basically observed this fire alarm and detection permit. That is how you gather critical information. Joe is exceptionally perceptive. He noticed it was filed in Texas, and Tesla had to clarify how extensive the safety area and system were for the fire protocol. And they had to disclose this. That is how we determined the megawatt capacity. An interesting detail, they named it 1035 Robotic Avenue. Very interesting. Hornsby Bend. Very interesting. This is located southeast of Austin, so we recognize this as a highly serious project. This lays the foundation for Optimus to lead globally, leading the robotics and humanoid industry by a significant margin. Because when examining rivals like XPeng in China, like Neo, 1X Technologies, or like Figure One, you have to question their training approach. Everyone watches the hardware. Everyone observes the remotely controlled demonstrations it performs today. But how do you provide a brain? How do you fund, build, and educate the massive intelligence these require? Without an integrated technology stack, you face limitations. If you simply hire Microsoft or Google for AI training, or Amazon, you are in a weak position compared to Tesla that controls the full factory, the complete intelligence pipeline. So what does 200 megawatts actually mean? How many graphics processors are involved in this? So we are looking at roughly 130,000 to 140,000 GPUs. And you also need to consider that, first, this represents an immense amount of computing power. But also note that these will not be H100s. That is, the current baseline for comparison are H100s. They will not even be B200 Blackwells, which already outperform H100s by a wide margin. These will be Vera Rubins, because this is referring to 2027 to 2028, when this enters, full-scale deployment. And so we are discussing 3 to 4 times the computing power of H100 equivalents. So when people say today, oh, there is a massive data center with 10,000 GPUs, what does that really mean? They mean 10,000 NVIDIA H100 equivalents. But But if you have Vera Rubins, you are discussing 4 times that amount per GPU. So in that case, it would be 40,000. So if you possess 140,000 GPU capability, that equals, and let this sink in, 560,000 H100 equivalents, easily the largest data center globally by current measures. Naturally, in the future, competitors may emerge and other facilities will exist, but not purely for robotics. In short, you do not have to memorize all these precise values, but you must understand Tesla is constructing something enormous, and it is currently being deployed. This likely goes online in 2027. No one knows exactly, of course, but if you know Tesla, this appears like a latest 2027 implementation when it will actually become operational. This seems like AI, but it is not. Observe this. This is not AI. This is an image of these massive converters, or whatever they are to handle electricity. And that is extremely large. This is it. This is the real building. Notice how massive the building is, where this will be installed. And this is exclusively a Cortex 2 facility. So this entire colossal building. I mean, observe this section here. You can see these batteries, or not batteries, like these converters. Don't blame me. I am not an electrician. I do not even know what they are. But these large heavy boxes to hold electrons. I guarantee electrons enter these things. I do not know the exact function inside, but they enter and presumably exit later. So check this massive structure here, this unit. And then see here on the side, that is the same huge unit you just saw. This conveys a sense of how enormous this is. So it is crucial to understand. When discussing Tesla, everyone watches the cars. Everyone focuses on the robots. But the true secret and ultimate strength of Tesla stems from the intelligence. So these components, which you cannot see or only see here, is where Tesla genuinely outperforms the world. That it can manufacture these hardware elements, the vehicles and robots, but then installs brains of this magnitude within them and secures total dominance. So I trust that was illuminating and useful. Optimus is arriving. We see all these enormous trends converging. And I am highly enthusiastic about 2026 and even more about 2027. These deployments are substantial and they represent complete game changers for humanity's future through robotics and autonomous systems. I hope that was compelling and see you tomorrow.